Peanuts had Boosie in tears after she saw him for the first time since he returned from the mountains, and this emotional reunion is now one of the biggest talking points on TikTok. As many of you already know, Peanuts recently returned from the mountains and decided to surprise his friends from CPC Stars. But out of everyone's reaction, it was Boosie's response that completely stole the show. The moment Boosie saw Peanuts, she became overwhelmed with emotion. She immediately went in for a hug, and many viewers believe she was actually crying as she kept her face covered on Luluto's shoulders for most of the moment. It was clear that she was genuinely happy to see him back safe, and that heartfelt reaction has touched a lot of people online. Fans couldn't stop talking about the bond between Boosie and Peanuts. Their hug has sparked thousands of comments, with many people saying it showed just how much they care about each other. While some viewers simply saw it as two close friends reuniting after spending time apart, others have taken things a step further. Across TikTok and other social media platforms, fans are now saying that Boosie and Peanuts would make a great couple. Some are even joking that they should just start dating already because the chemistry between them seems so natural. The conversation has become even bigger because Peanuts is reportedly no longer in a relationship with Akanya, leading some fans to believe this could be the perfect opportunity for something new. Of course, it's important to remember that these are just fan opinions and online speculation. Neither Peanuts nor Boosie has confirmed that there's anything romantic going on between them. From what we've seen, they clearly share a close friendship, and it's possible that Boosie's emotional reaction was simply because she was relieved to see her friend return safely. But still, that hasn't stopped social media from doing what it does best, turning one emotional moment into a trending discussion. Whether you believe they are just good friends or you think there could be something more, one thing is certain: their reunion has captured everyone's attention. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Boosie and Peanuts are simply close friends, or do you think they would actually make a good couple? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest trending celebrity news. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.